It is new toy day in the HOC, so let's just jump right into this. Anybody who's been watching me for a while knows exactly how excited I am about my Evolution Miter Saw and how much work I get done with this thing. So you have to know exactly how excited I was when Evolution Tool reached out to me. They told me they had something new coming out and wanted to know if I'd appreciate the upgrade. This saw is my saw's much bigger brother. Heavy duty, 14 inches of slicing and dicing inside this box. Oh, I cannot wait to see this thing run. Let's get it out of the cardboard and put it through its paces. Right off the bat, as I'm unwrapping this thing has a sweet heavy-duty cord on this. Everything just looks super robust and strong throughout. Awesome. I spun the table around so we could get a little bit better look at this saw without the plasma section of my table rattling. But let's just jump right into full disclosure mode. Did Evolution send me this saw for free? Absolutely. Am I a fan of Evolution saws? Well, we already covered that part of it. But they did say, good or bad, they wanted an unbiased review. And to prove their point, to show their sincerity, they sent this. A box of honking thick steel, just to tempt me. Sort of like, challenge the saw, put it through its paces. Oh, I shall. But before the abuse can begin, we should probably get a little bit better acquainted. So far, super impressed with this. It's got a sweet carry handle up top, the trigger mechanism right in the middle. You can use it left or right-handed. Release out back, flips the saw up, easy to use. Intuitive clamp with that also has a quick release on it. I mean, this is just perfect. Man, I'm liking this. Tell you what, I think I'm acquainted enough with this to waste some metal. One last thing, and I promise we'll get to the good stuff, but I'd be remiss in my duties if I didn't share this. If you've never run one of these saws before, they huck chips. So what you're gonna wanna do is protect the old ocular units. Full face shield, glasses with some wraparound would be bare minimum for this mission. You don't be running to the hospital, picking metal out of the old eyes, and earplugs. They're a little loud, but you also don't wanna catch a hot chip in the ear. Trust me when I tell you. That sucks. All right, let's see what comes out of the box first. Looks to me we got like some 3-inch, yeah, it's 3-inch, 1/8-inch wall box tubing. Heck of a maiden voyage. Now, that's gonna require us to use the V-block. Evolution provides this to us, just slides over the clamp like that, and what it does is holds the tubing in this diamond configuration. Evolution says by cutting this stuff on edge like this, you actually extend blade life. Can't wait. Let's lock this sucker down, let it eat. Look at that thin little sliver. Look how clean it is. Let's see if we can get the camera to focus up. Look at how slick. Oh, that is just beautiful. Oh, I am loving this. That was awesome. Let's see what's up next. Ooh, this is hefty. What do we got here? Give me the dimensions. It's a 3-inch angle. Looks like we got what? It's gotta be a 1/4 inch. Yeah, it's 1/4 inch. Woo. Okay, we get rid of the V-block. This actually goes down like this. We lock it down. It's the way Evolution says to do it. Let's let it rip. Safety first. All right. That is another clean cut. And I'm cutting them thin for you guys just to show you the performance of those blades. Wow, that is remarkable. Woo! What's next? 3/4 inch all thread. Nothing to it, and absolutely as clean as could be. Look, you'd almost shave in that. And the one I've been waiting for, the final contender. Look at this honking mass of challenge. What do we got? This is 4.5 inch, 1/4 inch wall pipe. Looks like we're lined up real well. Lock it down. I'll tell you what. Evolution. I'll tell you, Evolution definitely believes in this saw. If you're gonna send this to someone to say, hey, just go chopping through some gnarly stuff, man, they are confident. Oh, safety first. Let's not get reckless. The excitement almost made me reckless. Here we go. Wow. You know what? Let's just get this out. We have got to throw a square on this and see how nice it is. Look at that. Oh man. Pop a big old square on that and see where it's at. That is dead up. 90 degrees. Unbelievable. Super impressed with this saw. Super impressed. Now, to achieve 45s, all we gotta do is loosen up this handle here and move the back fence. All right, so I screwed that one up. In order to do a 45 with material this big, we need to move the fence forward, but almost all the way got through. So I'm gonna move that fence and we're gonna give this a shot. With zero deburring, just picking the pieces up off the table, that cut an absolutely beautiful 45. Wow. As I'm sitting here with this debris around me and piles of offcuts, I'm really trying to think of something I don't like about this saw, if for no other reason than to give this video validity. But truthfully, I can't really think of a single thing. Even moving the fence back to make the 45, that was easy. And the usual bone of contention with these, the clamping mechanism, this one happens to work great. I mean, honestly, these saws shouldn't be that hard to make. There's not a whole lot to them, but you know how it is. I mean, you know. This one actually gets the job done, fully gets my seal of approval. I was seeing 0 blade deflection. Everything I said is held tight. It just works, and it works great. Totally worth the money they're asking for it. So if you need something like this, this would be a good one to check out. I'll put links for the saw, that blade video teaching how to get a little more life out of these blades. All that will be down in the description. While you're on your way down there, make sure you subscribe and ring the notification bell. And if there's something you'd like to see me do with this saw that I didn't do, hit the comment section and we'll take it over to Instagram and I'll do some stuff over there maybe with it, should I get a lot of requests. On that note, I'm done on this one. I'll catch you guys next time.
That's beautiful, chap.